In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript in Chrome. If certain websites are not loading properly, buttons are not responding, or parts of a page seem broken, JavaScript may be turned off in your browser settings. Enabling it is usually quick and can help many websites function the way they are supposed to. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the Google Chrome app on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. This opens Chrome's main menu where you'll find a variety of browser options and settings. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry. It's the standard place to manage how Chrome behaves. From that drop-down menu, tap Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for the Chrome app. Here you can adjust everything from privacy and security options to website behavior. Since JavaScript controls how many websites display content and respond to your actions, it's managed under the site-related settings. Next, scroll down until you find Site Settings, then tap on it. You may need to scroll a little depending on your device and version of Chrome. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you control permissions and website features such as pop-ups, camera access, notifications, and JavaScript. If a website needs interactive features to work properly, this is the section that matters. Now tap JavaScript. You should see a toggle switch that controls whether JavaScript is enabled or disabled in Chrome. Turn that switch to the on position. When it's enabled, the toggle will usually change color, often to blue or green, depending on your device. That color change helps confirm that the setting has been successfully turned on. Once JavaScript is enabled, you can simply go back and return to the website you were trying to use. In some cases, you may want to refresh the page or reopen the site so the change takes effect right away. If a site still doesn't work, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version since settings and behavior can vary slightly between updates. That's all it takes to enable JavaScript in Chrome. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference when it comes to loading modern websites correctly and using web features without interruptions.